This is the video guide dedicated to help you remove the malicious pop-up windows that come from the site digitalfeedsoft.com. Digitalfeedsoft.com is a deceptive site that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers, but mainly Google Chrome is being attacked. The website digitalfeedsoft.com tries to trick you into downloading some file. In reality, these pop-ups may be integrated into some file sharing resources. However, this particular pop-up tries to infect your system and to make you download and install some potentially unwanted or even malicious software. So you should not interact with these deceptive pop-ups. Don't trust them. Don't install anything that they suggest. In case any malware was installed, you should carefully examine the control panel of your computer and uninstall any programs that could be suspicious. If you locate anything suspicious here, get rid of it. I also recommend researching your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Install the program and begin carefully examining and researching your system with its help in order to effectively detect and eliminate other infections fully from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.